Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change GMC Terrain headlight full guide. Open the hood and locate the headlight housing behind the front bumper cover, then remove the connector by pressing the tab and pulling straight back. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to release it, then pull the old bulb straight out. Handle the new bulb with gloves, insert it into the socket, twist to lock, reconnect, and test the light. I walk you through the simple toolkit required and how each piece helps make the swap safe and quick. Gloves protect the bulb, the screwdriver opens access panels, and a rag keeps contacts clean. I'll show how to position the vehicle for easy access and how to remove trim clips without breaking them. These small steps cut time and prevent common mistakes when changing your headlight bulb. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical tutorials. Quick recommendation. The book The Simple Path to Wealth offers great financial perspective, and it pairs oddly well with DIY savings from simple car repairs. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can learn more and save. Then now let's get back to the video. Follow these clear steps while I describe hand positions and gentle motions to avoid damage. Remove the connector by squeezing the tab and pulling straight back, then rotate the socket counterclockwise and pull the bulb free. When inserting the new bulb, align tabs, push until seated, and rotate to lock. Reconnect the wiring harness, turn on the headlights, confirm proper aim, and secure any access panels you removed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.